he been the 144 kanta. See, 8 years before he can get the 144 kanta. But the time he teach me, 8 months. I said, oh, you so genius, he said. So genius. That's why the time the time he give me all the counter, see, and the kind of 1,728, see, 1,728 counter. He teach me that, and then at time he could teach me for only just about 10 months, I think 10 months. I complete already all everything. 144, 144 and 1,728. Okay? Complete already for 10 months. He said, he take that one years by years, he said. That he's he's a instructor. General said, why we don't fight? And we don't come over here for fight you folks. Yeah. See, we come over here for give you folks education. See, if we will stop to fight, see, we will put the school, see, village by village. Yeah, village by village, we will put the school. So that tell all those general to surrender. Yeah, and we go peace. Yeah. So that's why the time my master surrender, and after 3 days they let them salute the flag, Filipino flag, but together with America, yeah, American flag. That's why my master, the time they let him salute, he said, without, he said, the American, I go salute. But if go together with American, see the Philippine flag, impossible I go salute. We no lose the fight. He said, he's too hard-head. He put in a jail. Put in a jail. After 3 days, he go out. After 3 days in a jail. He came invisible, like the gods over there. In front to the gods, he go out. Nobody can see him. That's why he ran away to the mountain.